Imagine turning a simple text prompt, a rough sketch, or even a screenshot into a fully polished UI design, ready for Figma or even exportable as HTML and React code. Sounds kind of crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what UXMagic does. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what UXMagic is, how it works, and how you can use it to seriously speed up your design workflow. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just jump right in. So UXMagic is basically an AI-powered design tool made for UI/UX designers, startups, and agencies who want to move faster. You can generate wireframes and fully designed UI mockups just from text prompts, sketches, or screenshots. You can also export your designs to different platforms like Figma, Webflow, and Framer. Right now, it's only available for Figma, but they've already said that other platforms are coming very soon. They also have a Figma library with more than 930 components. You can literally just copy them and drop them into your designs, which is super handy. Now, coming to the actual features, you can use prompts to create full UI designs, convert screenshots into designs and production-ready code, and even turn sketches into proper UI layouts. There's a lot going on here, and we'll go through it step by step. So first, let's sign up and create a project. All right, here you just write a prompt to create your website. You can enhance the prompt here if you want. It basically turns your idea into a more detailed prompt for better results. Now let's generate the website. This takes a few seconds. Okay, so the website is generated. It's created multiple sections. Let's preview it real quick. Honestly, it looks pretty good. The input fields are clickable, the drop-down actually works, and the cards even have a subtle hover animation. And yeah, the whole thing is responsive too. The first generation is decent, but we can definitely make it better by being more specific with our prompts. Let's add a few more sections. If you select this tool, you can make changes to a specific section. And to add a new section, just choose this tool and select the entire frame. Now let's write a prompt to add a testimonial section. This will take a moment. And boom, there it is. It added the testimonial section perfectly. You can also edit all the text on the website. For example, let's change this text and replace it with the word guest. Now save it. See how easy that was? Changing text anywhere on the site is super simple. Now let's add another section, something like amenities. Nice, it even added icons automatically. Let's preview this again. The hover animation is working perfectly. Love that. All right, now let's try creating a wireframe for a website. Just choose the wireframe option here and generate it. And yeah, as you can see, it's created the layout really nicely. Now let's turn this wireframe into a high-fidelity UI design. You just select the frame, write a prompt here, and you can enhance it again if you want. And there you go, it's converted the wireframe into a full UI design. I mean, that's just amazing. Next up, let's try uploading a sketch and converting that into a UI design. And yeah, as you can see, it converted the sketch into a proper UI layout pretty much perfectly. Now let's try cloning a website using a URL. I'm gonna use the Notion website here. Let's generate it. Okay, it's done. Let's preview it. So yeah, it tried to clone the design, but it's not accurate. It definitely needs some improvement. That said, it does a good job of keeping the overall design concept similar to the original. It's more like it takes inspiration from the website and recreates it in its own way. I actually really like this feature, but it clearly needs more work. In the future, I'm sure they'll improve it a lot. The good part is you can always import this into Figma and tweak it however you want. Now let's try importing a Figma file into UXMagic and see if it can convert that into a website. This will take a bit, and in the meantime, here's the original Figma file. Alright, so it's done. Let's preview it. And yeah, as you can see, it converted the Figma file into a website perfectly. Keeps the entire design structure intact, which is honestly a big deal. And it also made the whole thing responsive automatically. Once your design is ready, you can also export it directly into Figma to refine it further. Let's try that real quick. Just copy the website here. Now open Figma and paste it. Wow, so now this is a completely editable design file. You can change anything you want. For example, if you change a color here, it updates everywhere in the file. That's super helpful. Basically, you generate the design, move it into Figma, and then fine-tune it exactly how you want. And if you're a developer, UXMagic can even generate the full HTML and React code for the website. That's going to save a ton of time and make the whole handoff process way smoother. Now let's quickly look at the pricing. UXMagic offers free, premium, and ultimate plans. With the free plan, you get 30 credits and can create up to 5 projects. The premium plan costs $25 per month. You get 480 credits and can create up to 20 projects. And finally, the ultimate plan is $50 per month. You get 1,500 credits and can create unlimited projects. If you want to try it out, I've added my referral link in the description. You'll get 10% off the monthly plans, and it also helps support this channel. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to give UXMagic a try and let me know what you think about it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.
We go back and forth every time.